I guess it's that time, guys. It's time for me to actually start talking about those specifications on the Himalo frame. So let's get right into it. Why not? All right, so this is the Himalo frame. Remember, I bought this from AliExpress and it took almost 40 days to get here. The price has gone up a little bit since I bought it, and you know, we have the both 17-inch and 19-inch frames available, and also on 27.5 and as a 29er. And remember, I bought the 19-inch, which is the large 29er. So let's go to the specs real quick, and I also have this available at Amazon. Again, you have the option for, it's a little more expensive, but it might be getting to you way faster. So if you don't want to wait for that, check on that and then go from there. So this is, you have the option 27.5 17-inch frame, 19-inch frame, as well as 29er with 17 and a 19-inch frame. And let's go straight to the specifications right here. So we have right here, both of these are 27.5. The reach for the 17-inch frames on both 27.5 and 29 is the same, and it seems like all the measurements, all the geometry for both 17-inch frames, regardless whether it's a 27.5 or 29, are gonna be the same. So the reach is gonna be 427 millimeters, and then we have the seat tube 432 millimeters, seat tube angle 74 degrees, head tube length 105. Again, this is for the 17-inch frame. Head tube angle is 66 all the way across on all configurations. The ET is gonna be 600 for both the two 17-inch frames, and BD will be bottom bracket drop 15 millimeters all the way across. RC will be the chainstay length, which will be 430 for both 27.5s, but it's actually a little bit different on the 29ers, which is gonna be 445. FL, bottom of the head tube and the center of the wheel, it'll be 560 all the way across, and the offset, fork length, and then the fork offset, it'll be 51 millimeters. Now when we talk about the 29er, I mean the 19-inch frame, the reach is 450 for both of them. The ST is 483. The seat tube angle does not change, but the head tube length does change by 10 millimeters, so it's now 110. And then we have the same head tube angle, 66 degrees, so that's why I like this bike. Then we already talked about the ET. From the back of the seat post to the center of the head tube is 625 on both large frames. And again, this doesn't change much except for over here, the RC is 430 compared to 445 on both the 29ers. Everything else stays the same. Now, something else that we have over here, it says maximum tire 2.5 inches. However, I can tell you that 2.6 does fit. I tested two of them. The Maxxis Dissector 29 by 2.6. It fits perfectly with a lot of clearance. And I also tested the Hillbilly that I have on the other bikes, the Specialized Hillbillies 29 by 2.6. It also fits. So confirmed, 2.6 tires width does fit on this frame, and as you can see, it's a 148 by 12 millimeter true axle. Then seat post, it is a 30.9 millimeter seat post. The headset is a tapered head tube. It's a 6061 aluminum, and the recommended height for 17-inch and 19-inch frames, for 17-inch is 165 centimeters to 180 meters. I'm guessing that's like from 5'3" to 5'10", and then the height for the 19-inch frame, it'll be from like 5'9" to and up. to like 6'3" or something like that. Then we have 73 bottom bracket. It weighs, and this is the whatever they say is 3.730 kilograms, but I weighed it, and so the weight is actually right at 3.77 kilograms or 8.31 pounds. That's without the shock or anything. That's just the frame by itself with no headset, none of that, bare frame. It is 8.31 pounds or 3.770 kilograms. So just a little bit off. It's just a 40 grams difference. And it says right here plus or minus 80 grams. So I'm within that. Like I said, over here is 2.5 inch tire. I got 2.6s on it. And the seat post clamp is a 34.9. So something to keep in mind on for that. It comes with all these grommets right here. So that's really good. It comes with one bottle cage. We also have a 210 millimeter eye-to-eye shock, and on the bottom is a 22 millimeter spacing, and at the top is a 32 millimeter spacing. So keep that in mind. It comes with a few spacers, but if you might need to add an extra space, that you might need to buy that separately. It doesn't come with a bottom bracket, but it's a standard BSA 73 bottom bracket, and it has spaces for you to put in a rock guard over here, or protector, a chain guide. So that's good to know. And it does come with a headset. It already comes with a headset, so you don't need to worry about that. So pretty good specs, all seal bearings, and I think it's gonna be ending up. My bike is already completed. Expect some videos on that coming soon, and all I gotta do is then take it to the trail and see how it rides. But as of right now, you guys know that I already painted this bike, and that was my own choice. I just wanted to do that. And like I said, the price did go up a little bit since I bought it. Right now it's $365.06, and I paid $343, so $319.42 plus taxes, which ended up being this much right there, $343. So with that said, I guess that's gonna wrap it up for this one, guys. If you want to get this bike, check the links in the description below. If you're new here, or if you haven't, please subscribe, turn that notification bell on, and other than that, let's ride.